an advanced tool that combines the best of modern technology to offer you a unique observation experience. Powered by a USB-DC adapter, this microscope provides great versatility, allowing its use even with portable power sources. Its LED illumination system is not only efficient but also guarantees clear light with low energy consumption, perfect for long study sessions. Furthermore, the design includes a binocular head with a 30 degrees inclination and 360 degrees rotation, facilitating the exchange of observations without having to move the equipment. The focusing system is highly precise, with a coaxial coarse and fine focus knob, as well as a safety stop screw that protects both the samples and the objectives. It is ideal for high schools, universities, and small veterinary clinics, thanks to its two-layer mechanical stage that allows for precise sample handling. To care for your equipment and ensure its longevity, it is recommended to clean the achromatic objectives with optical paper after each use and disconnect the USB adapter when not in operation. Measuring 38 by 25 by 19 centimeters and weighing 4.5 kilograms, the YR06685 is easy to handle and transport. This microscope, launched in 2021, is perfect for studying tissues and cells, thanks to its achromatic objectives and condenser with filter holder.